Some Polara buttons. Polara iNS.
Wait to cross Hazel Avenue at Madison Avenue.
Traveling east. Wait.
When I press it the first time, it doesn't say anything. It's just when I hold it down for at least a second.
Wait to cross Hazel Avenue at Madison Avenue.
Traveling east. Wait.
Same one. iNS.
Wait to cross Hazel Avenue at Madison Avenue.
Traveling west. Wait.
Now let me go to cross Madison Avenue.
Wait to cross Madison Avenue at Hazel Avenue.
Traveling north. Wait.
Wait to cross Madison Avenue at Hazel Avenue.
Traveling south.
Wait to cross Hazel Avenue at Madison Avenue.
Traveling west. Wait.
Wait to cross Hazel Avenue at Madison Avenue.
Traveling east. Wait.
Wait to cross Madison Avenue at Hazel Avenue.
Traveling south.
Well, that's it for this intersection. We'll hit another one now. See ya.